Hey, I'm excited you're here. What you're about to discover changes everything about how organizations successfully build AI first collaboration into their workforce. Let me start with a question. Have you ever wondered why some companies seem to effortlessly integrate AI while others struggle for months with pilots that go nowhere? It's not about having better technology, it's not about bigger budgets, and it's definitely not about having more technical people on your team. There's a pattern, a clear, research backed pattern that separates organizations achieving measurable AI first transformation from those stuck watching employees use AI tools individually. And here's what makes this fascinating: the successful approach is actually simpler than what most companies are trying to do right now. The 5% who achieve real transformation do four things differently. They embed AI in workflows, empower leaders and managers, measure business outcomes, and co design with users. The result? 32% higher ROI, 40% faster decisions, and three times more likely to succeed at transformation. Your digital first foundation is valuable. Now it's time to build AI first collaboration on top of it. We've created a comprehensive course showing you exactly how to make this transition using proven principles you can apply immediately. Explore our AI first workforce resources. Go to daskell.org for tools, including ready to deploy personas and leader workshops. Why pay thousands of dollars when you can get ready resources today?